So, just a quick recap. First, we unboxed and pre-assembled all of the components and made sure all of the assemblies were accounted for. Next, we measured our runs and pre-cut our cable for all of the runs for the project. Step 3 was using our marking template to first mark our termination post and then both sides of the intermediate pass-through post. And on step 4, we drilled our 3/8 inch diameter holes through both sides of our intermediate pass-through posts for our post protectors. At this point in your install, all of your intermediate pass-through posts in your system should be drilled, and your next step will be to pre-install the mounting receivers that your tensioners and end stops will secure into. It's important to note, if you're installing your system in the softwoods such as pressure-treated pine, cedar, or redwood, then it is not necessary to drill any pilot holes for your mounting screws. If you're installing your system into hardwoods such as oak, ipe, or mahogany, then we recommend drilling a 1/8 inch diameter pilot hole to a depth of 2 inches before installing your receivers. Using a T20 Torx bit in either a drill or impact, start off by installing all of your straight receivers at the termination post where your straight tensioners and end stops will be installed. When installing your receivers, each receiver should fit flush and tight up against your post, but be sure to not over tighten your receivers. Doing so may cause your receiver to indent into the surface of your post. Next, install all of your pivot receivers at the termination post where your pivot tensioners or end stops will be installed. Once all of your pivot receivers have been installed, use a flathead screwdriver or similar tool to rotate the pivot receivers so that they are correctly oriented for the angle of your cable run.